Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous vintage Mulberry bowling bag. So this bowling bag has double grab handles at the top, and then we've got on the front here that Mulberry leather badge. On the bottom we've got 4 brass base studs, and then I'll open it up and show you the inside. So we've got zip closure, so open that up. And then inside we've got, just get it in the light so you can see it, that tartan lining, which is really nice. And then we've got one zip pocket on the back as well, so I'll open that up just so you can have a look. That zip still works really nicely. And then yeah, we've got that little pocket there as well. So for the condition of this bag, it's called the Exterior Fair. It's actually got minimal markings on it. They're just a little bit, I'll show you. There's a mark just on the base. I don't know if you can quite see it on the camera, but it's just there. But other than that, there's very minimal marks on it. It just kind of lost a little bit of its sturdiness and its structure, but it still looks lovely. The interior we've called good. There's not really much to say about the interior. It's still pretty clean. There's no staining or kind of ripping. There's just a little bit here where the thread has kind of come off, starting to fray a little bit. But other than that, the inside still looks very, very nice. Hardware we've called Fair. It is vintage, so you'd expect it to have a bit of wear and tear on it, especially on these base studs because they get used the most. You can see there's just a little bit of discoloration on each of those and a bit of scratching, but other than that it looks pretty nice. Oh, I've just mentioned the corners as well. For a vintage piece, the corners are still in pretty good condition. Most of them don't have much scratching on it. You can see that one has a little bit of wear, a little bit of scratching there, but on the whole the corners are pretty good. So this is a beautiful bag. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so that you can get, and when you subscribe, turn on your alerts so that you can get an alert every time we bring out a new video with a new bag. So this Mulberry also comes with the little Mulberry padlock as well. We haven't got a set of keys for this, but we have got the padlock, so that will be in the bag. For the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. Hopefully it should take you directly to this Mulberry. If it does, that's perfect. It means it's still available. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love this bag, you can get on our request list, which you can do by filling out our contact form, which you'll find on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list so you can get alerted every time we have in a new one. And that applies to any bag, any brand that you like as well. So whether that's Mulberry or Saint Laurent or whatever it is, let us know and we'll get you on the request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is where it sits on me. So if I had it on the arm like that, or if you're holding it by the handles, it's really, really cute. I love this bag. I just love how kind of durable this leather feels. Yeah, it's a perfect weekend bag to get all your little essentials in. So as I said, more details about this bag will be on the website. Go to the link in the description below. Also on the website you will find the sign up to our newsletter option. If you pop your email in the little box at the bottom of any page, we will send over your welcome discount code, and hopefully that should go straight to your inbox. If it doesn't, check your junk or your spam and it should be in there, but make sure you get your discount code. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell with Us page, so if you've got any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, then go to that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about that. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.